Hello everyone, I'm back with another demo for my project. So for this project I made a very basic a video game sales analysis, which is very basic, and I'm going to show you in this video. So let's go. The first step is to import pandas and then get my files, which is like the data is in this file. I'm gonna load this here, and also since I get my data from the internet, there are probably lots of bad data in this file, so I use on bad line skip to make sure I'm gonna skip those bad lines which are in this file. So, and then I don't need all of these, and I don't need all of these columns, so I need some of them. And I pick them and I just do this. And then I need to make sure I clean the year column because there are probably like lots of uncleaned data there. And then I want to ask the user for some inputs. So that's why I'm going to use while to keep asking the user. The first thing that I'm going to ask the user is that to enter a name to get like a general info of the game. And this is for picking the row for that game. And this is for, I'm going to use this for later, which I'm going to get the total sales for the game the user picked. And when I ask the user for the name, then I'm gonna ask the user if they want to sort that that game that they pick, like if they want to sort the game by year or like the global sales, or if they just want to ignore this, just type no and they're gonna ignore this. Also, for this overall sale, I asked them if they want to get the overall sale for the game, which is whatever they picked, and they are gonna see the result. So now let's run this and see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna go with Mass Effect. Do I want to sort this? Let's go with global sales. As you can see, I got all of the results and it's sorted by sales. Do I also want to get the total sales? Yes. And the overall sale for the game is around this much. And that's just basically it for this project.